Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play 2 versus 2 MLB the show 23 against friends. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you're gonna access your particular the show 23, can be on your browser. Once you have done so, what you're gonna do, if you want to play against your friends, the first thing would be simply for you to go to this quick play, and in the other games mode section you're gonna go to and choose the mode 2 versus 2. Once you have choose that option, it's gonna let you have another interface which includes this like 5 steps for you to set your lineup and start playing. So here in this section, invite friends. If you go to this invite, you will be able to invite your friends to play with you, but they won't be like, even if you send the invitation, you will be a pact, okay? You won't be able to go against and play. So the thing is, still MLB does not have the feature which will let you play against your friends. So if you would like to play it, what you gotta do is simply gotta go ahead and start joining the game at the same time. So what that will do is, once you are doing, you're gonna find invite friends, select teams, and select stadium, and in the find opponents step, which we need to choose our friends as an opponent. When you have your friends and you have joined at the same time, you will also see their game setup as well and the battling order. At that time you might have the possibility of choosing them and allowing you to play with them. So unfortunately, when you say invitation, there is no way for you to do so, but so that is simply the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.